how to fix Notes feature not working or not showing. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. First thing, open the Play Store and then update your Instagram, and you can do the same thing on the App Store. After that, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps, go to the Instagram. If you didn't find it, you can search for it right here in the search bar. Now click on the force stop to stop running the app. After that, go to the notifications management. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. And then go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and the last step you want to do, which is optional, click on clear data to clear all the data in the app. This is the fix or the solve for this problem. If it's not working yet for you after all this, that means it's not available on your country. Don't forget to like, subscribe.